Hello everyone and welcome to today's edition in which we'll be looking at trigonometric graphs. So we'll be considering a cosine graph and we're getting this from a 2018 internal paper 2. So the question says, sketch the graph of y is equal to cos theta for 0 degrees is less or equal to theta less or equal to 360 degrees. So now what is important when sketching a trig graph is simply to know the general form, the general appearance of a cosine graph. We saw in the previous lesson where we learned about the sine graph. So now for a cosine graph, it makes a U or simply a parabola which is facing upwards. So our solution here will be as follows. The function says y is equal to cos theta. So because we have got a positive here, it simply means our graph will lean on the positive side of the x or y plane. So in drawing the x, y plane, make sure you leave enough room on the positive part because that's where your graph will go. It goes like that. Our x-axis and our y-axis. So if there was a negative here, our graph will lean on the negative side of the x-y plane. Right. So now because our cosine graph makes a U, so we draw a U starting from the top there. So from here, it will go as follows. Okay. Then at the end here, put a dotted line in that manner. So in our range, the range says 360. The last figure is 360. So here put 0 degrees and here put 360 degrees like that. So you divide 360 by 4. Any number they put here, you divide it by 4. So here we have got 360. So 360 divided by 4 we have 90. So here you 0, here you put 90. At the turning point here down here, going up here, we add a 90 to give us 180 degrees. We add a 90, here you put 270. Then you add a 90, you get 360. Then here we have got a 1, even though it is invisible. So the number that is here is called the amplitude. It tells us how high or down our graph will go. That is up and down. So there you put a 1. And here also at the turning point, you put a 1, but it will be negative because going down we've got negatives. So now, at the end now we indicate y is equals to cos theta. So in case you forget this method of dividing 360 by 4, you simply say, okay, cos 0 is 1. That is why our graph has gone or has started from 1 there. Cos 90 is 0. That's why 90 is here. And cos 180 is negative 1. That is why it is here. Cos 270 is 0. That is why it is here. And cos 360 is negative 1. That is why it is there. So we can also do it in that manner. So remember, if you're here for the first time, consider subscribing and hit the bell for new videos of such kind. See you next time.